Glebe, I wanted to give you a tour of the fridge and why we have frustration from wasted food happening. I think for both of us, really. But anyhow, I wanted to tell you that one of the things that I do all day, as I said, is try to make it so that I can see what I have. And the basic problem with a fridge that's narrow and deep like this is you can't see what's at the back. So this is after it's been cleaned. You still have to go in and peer around to find stuff. So that's a real problem. So I've gone through and I've cleaned out all the shelves, and I'll show you some of the stuff that I came up with here that we had tons of. And all of it really is because it's hidden. Without getting nitpicky, basically we have 3 jalapenos that are all open, 2 lime juices, 2 open things of feta cheese, 3 open things of lemon juice, 5 Parmesan cheeses. There are a couple shredded versions in here. 3 things of pesto. All are open. Applesauce, salsa. 3 identical salsas, plus the other 2. 2 Thai pastes. This is a different one. 2 sweet relishes. That's my domain. And 2 Motherlode barbecue sauces. I just consolidated these 2. Plus these other ones, which are maybe debatable whether they're part of the same thing. But the point is that most of the waste that happens in the fridge here is because stuff is hidden away and it just gets disappeared, and it doesn't get consumed because we don't have any flags on it. So to the extent that you'd be willing to, again, kind of take a look at what we have, especially in the perishables, right away, we got berries that I put right up front here so we can see them. I have all of the inventory of all of our milk, milk and soy materials. So all of our drinks are right here so we can see what we have, because all of this stuff basically does have a shelf life that's kind of critical. And beyond that, I think a couple more buckets might help out with stuff like your tofu and some of the vegetarian stuff. We could have that all in this sort of super healthy fake meats bucket too. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you kind of what that's about, and that's why I think a fridge that's wider is going to make a difference for sure.